welcome to this, the introduction, primarily to the first half of the course. Now, each lecture is going to follow a similar format. I'm going to talk about leadership for about 3.5 minutes. My first ever course on Udemy was called Egg Timer Economics, and it's now been renamed because people didn't understand the egg timer idea initially, and it is now the best-selling economics course on Udemy. And each lecture was 3.5 minutes. And people like this short, bite-size style lectures. So I've decided to adopt the same format, but only in part, for this leadership course. So each lecture has me talking for 3.5 minutes about leadership. But, you don't then stop. We then talk a little bit about leadership traits, only for about 30 seconds. You then watch a film clip. You then look at leadership quotes. You then look at some images. You look at some more quotes. You look at some more images. And then we talk about intervention. Then we repeat this. And then I prompt you. And then I give you a homework slide. So, in other words, each and every lecture for the first half has a whole series of layers of understanding. Therefore, if you are a serious student, which obviously I hope you are, you watch the lecture, yes, and then you watch it again. Then you do the exercises. Then you think a bit more, and then you contribute to the question and answer section. And then you go back and follow up some of the research, and then you look at the homework. So you repeat and repeat and repeat. But you're not, in a way, because you're seeing different things each time. You're carrying out more exercises. And if you're posting to the question answer section, which I hope you are, then you are reacting and interacting with other students on the course. The second half of this course is about art therapy applied to leadership, and I'll do another introduction for that second half. Meanwhile, let's get on with leadership.